the box again. Yeah.
Where are we?
Let's see some garage, I think. It's where you guys gonna be living. We're gonna be living in the garage? Sure. Yeah, I don't like this at all. Hey, who's paying, me or you? You. That's what I thought. Ow! Anyways, so you guys want to see the house or something? The house. It's pretty nice. How far is it? We're here. Oh, this is the house? Oh, okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, the hotel. We were in a hotel. I remember. Here's in the box. This is our new house. Oh, wow.
Oh, pretty interesting if you ask me.
Yeah. So this is the kitchen. You know, we have all the food, all the grub. Right here is the pantry. A Star Wars thing. What's here? Yoda. You'll see him in the next episode. Anyways, the knives, the stuff, everything. Yeah. And right here is the kitchen. Help me, please. Wait, Jack. I thought you lived over there, like, you know, far away from here. I was, but then they kicked me out too. Wow, why? Sonic told me I never paid the rent, so they told me to get out of here. How rude. After what I heard, I can understand. No, don't leave me. As you can see, this is our room, and then over there is probably a kid's room, that game room or something like that. And then over here is where Yoda sleeps. Oh, is he sleeping right now? Yes, you do not disturb him. You want to see the backyard?
Sure we would.
Come on. And this place is the best time to be around the backyard.
Oh my goodness! It's gorgeous! We weren't allowed to go to the dogs because of Sparky.
Oh yeah, Sparky. I thought his name was Gray. We changed. Bowser legally changed it. Oh, stupid Bowser. Wow, this is really nice. Yeah, there's also some chairs there, so you can go inside. No bugs can bother you. So many bugs, so different. Hey, look at this flower. So beautiful. Smells like drugs. Anyway, so yeah. Here's the other ones to the backyard. Here's the grill. And everything. Okay. So, how do you guys like the new house? It's pretty good. Yeah. If only other people could see it. Yeah, you know. Just wanted to show you a tour. You guys could see the other extra stuff coming soon and other times. Yeah, later on. I guess that is a good idea. What do you think, Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, I guess it's good. Good, I hate the outside. I'm gonna go watch TV.
I like the outside. I know you do, and you're kind of retarded, so yeah. Oh, that's some good stuff. Good grub from Mario. Anal glands. Alright guys, let's go celebrate for SpongeBob not paying the bills. Oh, what the? Oh, hey. Yeah, we already sold the toad. I gave him to him. A creeper! Oh, we told you not to do that. Oh, that was right. Sorry about that. You don't know. I was, sorry. Our friend Creeper, his brain is as small as a piece of gunpowder. Hey, I can blow any minute now. Oh, sorry. Yeah, when he gets angry, he explodes. He total stopped.
Wait, Goofy, why are you wearing a mask?
Gosh, stranger danger. You don't know these people. Gosh, you can get infected.
True, but don't worry, us friends. They're probably clear.
Oh, don't worry. They're all clear from diseases. Yeah, but we don't like mentioning that stuff right now. This video will age poorly. Anyways, so yeah. Wait a minute. SpongeBob, yeah, you can't pay the bills, but You have managed to have all of these people have here, but they never managed to pay the bills. Nope. Oh, I don't like paying bills. Russell. I don't like paying bills. I don't like them at all. Even though I own the Evil Club, I do not own bills. Gosh, I don't have money. Oh, I only collect coins. Oh my god. You know what, after all of this is over, I'm getting, all of you are gonna get jobs. Yeah. Oh, darn. Yeah, just because you all live here doesn't mean it's yours. You still have to pay here. Oh, yeah. Our bills are extremely expensive ever since we got that plantation area. Well, what did he say? It's hard for him to say. Well, anyways, this is pretty good. I wonder what food is gonna make. Ravioli, roast beef. Oh, I bet that Oogie Boogie guy over there. He's kind of ugly. That's my brother. Wait, what? Gosh, who knew? Oh. Plot twist. Well, I gotta go now. Dang. Voice is so annoying. Trust me about it. He's my fry cook, but I lost the Krusty Krab. We can build you a new one, unless you pay for it. I'll ask Squidward. Okay. Welp. I kinda miss the old house. But Dad, we can never move back. I know. Oh well. I like this new house anyways. We can have all the fun. Yeah. Well, that's all for the video, guys. See you in the next video. More videos coming soon.